Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mountain View City Local and Long Distance Movers near me. We can help you with your long distance move, whether it's one state over or across the country. Our movers know how to make sure your things are securely loaded into the truck and safely transported to your new location. We can also help with all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might be difficult to justify the cost of a California moving company without understanding the benefits. You might be thinking that it's just a short move, so you can do it all yourself. However, hiring local movers will save you time and will make your move much easier. A good moving company like 3 Movers can streamline the entire process. You will get to enjoy your new home sooner, and you won't be so tired from all the lifting. We make your move go faster and get everything moved in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mountain View City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.